How to unlock your Capital One debit card. If you want to unlock your Capital One debit card, you go ahead and then first of all, launch the Capital One mobile banking app. And this is the interface that you should be able to see over here. Log in using a username, password, and tap on the sign in button that you'll be able to find over there. Then once you're signed in, basically, navigate to the section where you can manage your debit card. So tap on your debit card or card icon. Find the option to manage a debit card, which might include options like account services and settings or more. Then select unlock your card, often found within the manage debit card section. Some of the important consideration is that you need to enter your debit card PIN or other security measures to unlock the card. And if you have difficulties, you can just try to reach the customer support of Capital One. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.